Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Boom Learning. Boom task cards are one of my very favorite games to play. It allows you to get a good practice, and it also acts as a quick assessment. They're interactive and they're so fun. Today I'm going to talk about how to use them to review Chapter 1 of our novel study. First, you'll notice that I am on our Friday schedule on the agenda, and I have come down here to where it talks about Boom task cards. We're supposed to do Boom task cards for Chapter 1, Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing. You'll notice here you can click to see this video and learn how to use Boom Learning, or you can click, and then you can click here to access the Boom task cards. So I'm going to simply click the link. It's going to take me to a new page. The best thing about Boom Learning is that you can sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to simply click Sign in with Google. I am using Kenna's account to log in so that you guys can see how the student version looks. So I click here, and then it brings me up right into my home screen. This is where you should be. And you will see that you have decks assigned. That's what they're called, decks. They're kind of like cards. And you just click straight on Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing, and it will go through several little task cards. They're basically just like task cards. And you can answer the question. You can go backwards. You can go forwards. You can skip. You can go all the way back to the beginning. You can give up, and it'll tell you the answer. Or you can hit submit to complete your answer. When you're done, it does give you a little score, and it lets you earn points. So you'll start earning points up here and all that fun stuff that we like to do. So that's the basics. The best thing about it is you should be able, I'm going to log out and do it one more time. If you come up to this page, you say Student Sign In, and you can sign right in with Google. You're just collecting, putting in your GSCS email and your same GSCS password. It may not even ask for your password. It might just let you sign right in if you're already in Google. Brings you up just like this, and you'll see your deck down here at the bottom. Pretty simple.